Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. I am excited to finally be able to post something and have the time to sit down and just talk to you all and give you guys some of my journey updates. It's been honestly a crazy journey still. I just hit my, I think it's been like a year that I've been actively actually lifting and working out. So I would say it hasn't been a year of correctly doing it. I would say it's been like 6 months of correctly doing it, because the first 6 months I was a mess, and even then my mobility and just how well I am programming now, I would say the best I have done is the last 3 months. So it's been crazy, right? And for that reason I was like, you know what would be a great video? I like to put great videos out there that I put some dedication into them, that I put some thought into it, and I just don't want to post every week if it's not gonna be good videos, you know. And there's no purpose for me wasting my time and no wasting anybody's time. So I decided to finally do an update, kind of giving you guys breakdown of what I'm about to do for the next 2 months. I think I still switch on my routine from here and then, but now I'm like, okay, I need to create a plan. I need to be even more disciplined than what I am now, and I need to, make drastic changes in my lifestyle more than I have already done. And I want to share it with you guys. I was like, you know what, this would be a great video to kind of update you all, check in, let you guys know what's been working for me, what has not, and give you an overview of the most important things right now that are going to be so ideal and crucial for me to have really good results in the next 2 months, and how I'm planning to transform my fitness journey. If you're here for the first time, I would really appreciate if you can please subscribe to my channel or follow me on social media, since I post a lot on my social media more, on Instagram, especially on my workouts, what I'm up to, affirmations, motivation, you name it. So follow me on social media if you would want to, and yeah, let's start this video. Alright, so I wrote down some notes. For all my videos, I like to kind of plan ahead, have an idea of what I'm gonna talk about in the notes and the points that I want to bring up. So this is, the primary focus of this video is going to talk about what I'm going to be doing for my workout journey / plan for the next 2 months, 2 to 3 months. And again, like I said, I've been actively doing a lot of this stuff, but for me more is to develop an even stricter routine and be more disciplined with it. I've been doing this for a while, but I feel like there's just a better way to become more efficient and organized and just have a better process of it all if I actually freaking stay to a plan, a stricter plan. So I decided to, and this is the first thing, I'm going to the gym 5 days a week. I used to go 6 times, but my body just can't, I don't think my body can take it. It's honestly exhausting. So I think that I'm gonna stick to 5 days, and then maybe the 6th day I can be productive, actively. But if I feel I have a lot of time, maybe during the summer or whatever it might be, I'll add the 6 days. But for now, with having a full-time job and just also wanting to take care of my own mental health, I'm just gonna do 5, right? So first thing, I'm doing 5 gym days, and I'm gonna break it down. So I do push, which is my chest, my shoulders, and my triceps. That's one of my workouts. Usually takes me about 1 hour and 30 minutes. Then I have pull day, which is more focused on my back, and a little bit of my shoulders as well. So for my back days, that usually takes me about 1 hour. If I'm really striving to do many exercises, 7, I would do 1 hour and 15 minutes. So I feel my upper body days definitely are much faster, and I feel I enjoy my upper body days more. I feel stronger, I feel more confident when I'm doing upper body. But now when it comes to leg day is freaking brutal. But I have 2 different leg days. So one of them is glute focus, booty pump. For sure, it's super important, the exercises that I do. And then I have my quads day, right, where I focus on my quads, my hamstrings. So those are the 4 days where I actually lift. 5th day, and this is something new because I used to do 3 leg days, I do cardio and abs. And And the reason behind it is because I'm not that active. Like, I work in an office, but a lot of the time I sit down. I do a little bit walking around, but not as much as I did before. Even as a college student, I used to walk so much around campus. Like, I was forced to walk everywhere. I didn't have a car. I would always have to be in a bus, running after the bus and everything. And now that I have a car, and now that, I, get to work in my car, and like I park right outside my job, like, I'm not actively walking. I'm not getting any steps in. I'm not doing any running. Like, I'm not being as active. So that's why I decided to add a cardio day. And another thing that I'm gonna be changing and is super important for me, and I think you should all think about this, is like, when are you gonna be going to the gym? Are you gonna be going in the mornings? Are you gonna be going at night? Are you gonna be going in the middle of the day, the afternoon? Like, what is it gonna be, right? For me, I decided to stick to this because I've been actually, for the past like month, I would say, I've been going like once during the week in the morning, and then Saturday through Sunday I go in the afternoon. I want to change that because like I feel like I could be more productive and I could get more stuff done if I do gym in the morning, right? But I cannot do gym in the morning every single day during the Monday through Friday because it's just impossible. I'm not gonna function. So I'm gonna keep the one day a week I will go to gym in the morning. Then 2 days I will go 2 to 3 days I'm gonna go in the afternoon and night/night. And then in the weekends I'll go in the morning. That's like my thing that I'm gonna stick by. Like, for me, I just need to become more disciplined, and I can't just be like waking up be like, so what do you want to do today? And like, do you want to go to the gym right now, or do you want to go? No, I feel like I need to start freaking holding myself accountable. Point 3, rest days. Schedule it in advance. I think it helps your body, especially if you're like moving it all around, then you're not getting a rest day for over a week. So my rest day is Wednesdays, and then I think I'm gonna be doing my rest days on Fridays too. I think it's just good for me. It works perfectly. So I'm gonna plan to keep Wednesdays and Fridays as my rest day. Fridays, it's just too much for me to rush from work, try to go to the gym before it closes and stuff, because through the weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, they close early. So for me, it just doesn't work out. Now, another important thing, and I feel like everybody talks about this, is your protein intake. So I will say, I do not get my protein intake as much as I should. It's bad. I wish I could eat more protein, but a girl has been struggling to eat. And this is something I never thought I was gonna say. My diet needs to improve. Because I am not getting my protein intake. I'm working out, I'm challenging myself, but I'm like, that protein is killing me. I think it's because I'm not too much of a fan of protein shakes anymore. I hate them. Honestly, it tastes like caca, so I honestly don't like them. I know some people are like, oh my god, do this and that. For me, like the healthy protein powders that are supposed to be good for you, that don't mess around with your gut, taste so bad. Like, or they're super expensive. Like, I'm not even joking. So for me, I need to start focusing on getting more of my protein through my food, and then of course, still have my protein shakes from here and there, and have my protein bars, but I don't want to do it every day. I was doing it every day. It was just too much. I can't not. And now I'm having a hard time actually eating, and like I watched that I don't eat until I'm starving. And like, I need to be starving for me to want to eat. And what I'm gonna prioritize is making sure that there is a high amount of protein in every meal that I do, right? So sometimes in the morning, I would just eat oatmeal and not even add peanut butter or whatever to it, like no protein intake in it. So then I was really hungry sometimes. Like, the oatmeal wouldn't fill me up, or sometimes I would just put too much protein items in it, like yogurt, peanut butter, and all this other stuff. Wouldn't taste good. So now I'm making a goal to have a certain amount of protein in each meal, and also try to like read more of my labels, like how much protein it says that each serving has, and stick by it. I just really care about my protein. If I can keep the serving size small and have a good balance and not overeating, then that's good. Like, I just need to make sure that I'm getting my protein intake, so that's going to be another priority of mine. It's a lot of work though, because you have to keep up with your macros and stuff, and like honestly I don't want to do all that, but it's part of the journey. So I'm gonna overcome that fear and that frustration, and I'm gonna start actually paying attention to how much protein I'm intaking every day, because a girl's working hard and she gotta better see some booty gains. Like I better be feeding myself this summer, and I need to start eating more proteins. My last like big detail, that this is the one that I've been struggling with. This is the one that I need to stay consistent with the most, and it is to stick to my damn program. So I want to dedicate something for a specific day, right? What I mean by that is that I want to stay consistent in the exercises that I do, the number of exercises, the number of sets, because I feel like sometimes I watch a lot of TikTok videos, and if I see a new back workout, I'm like, I need to try that one immediately. Like I need to try it. And you know, some of them are amazing, some are good, but I've noticed that a lot of the time it's just like, it's me just testing out a lot of stuff, and I just want to, and I feel like I know a decent amount of good exercises now, but whenever I see one, I want to try it. And I mean, it's normal, right? But in order to see actual results, I've been hearing a lot from like personal trainers who are certified, like stay to a program, find the exercises that work for you and stick to them, right? So I'm gonna stay to a program for 2 months, and I'm gonna freaking kill it. I'm gonna do it because in 2 months it's gonna be spring, and in spring I want to feel good, I want to feel amazing, so I gotta do it. Alright y'all, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you and just taking the time to watch my video. So this is more like like an informative video of what I'm doing, like to change my routine, and like what I'm really excited about. To also, you know, I think this is a great opportunity for me to start documenting like my workouts, start documenting a little bit more about what I cook around, and just like any like diet or any nutrition advice that I can give, like that's working for me. Again, I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not a dietitian, so it's just gonna be like me sharing everything for the next 2 months and then showing you guys my results. So I think I'm super excited for that, and I want to for sure make sure that I'm sharing my workouts and other stuff. So if you would love to see all that, make sure to subscribe and follow me on social media. I appreciate each and one of you all. So I hope to see you guys again in my next video. Everybody, I hope that you guys are all doing well. Take care, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.